Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with StubHub affiliate access and verification. Begin by navigating to the StubHub affiliate program website. Locate the Join Now button prominently displayed on the home page. Click the button to initiate the registration process. Fill out the required personal information in the registration form. Input your full name, email address, and a secure password of your choice. Provide details about your website or platform where you will promote StubHub. Include information on your marketing strategies and audience demographics. Review the terms and conditions carefully before proceeding. Check the box to accept the terms and conditions. Submit your application by clicking the Submit button. Next, wait for a confirmation email from StubHub. Open the email once you receive it and look for the verification link. Click on the verification link to confirm your email address. Once verified, return to the StubHub affiliate program website to log in. Use the email and password you provided during registration. Access your affiliate dashboard where you will find various tools and resources. Locate the unique affiliate links provided for promoting StubHub. Select the events or tickets you wish to promote using these links. Copy the affiliate link to use in your marketing efforts. Monitor your affiliate dashboard for performance metrics and earnings. Contact StubHub support if you encounter any issues during the process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.